What's important when considering your need for engaging a seasoned, retained executive search firm? Perhaps you have a retiring senior executive or desire fresh leadership, need a proven functional leader, or have a key critical role to fill? There are common candidates, and then there are A players, who represent the top 10%, producing 8 to 10 times more than B players. NextGen Executive Search specializes in unearthing industry-leading, world-class candidates for client building, deploying, and managing aircraft electrical power systems, VVIP cabin solutions, aviation power generation and distribution, VIP, IFEC, CMS systems, aerospace manufacturing and precision machining, commercial drones, in-seat power conversion. Our aerospace and aviation domain expertise utilizes AI-based science combined with behavioral interview techniques and authenticating KPIs for similar accomplishments and experience for a specific role. NextGen has worked with some of the most recognized players in the commercial aerospace and business jet aviation markets. Our expertise and experience has enabled clients who are startups, mid-cap, and spin-offs to successful IPOs and acquisitions. We help clients enhance your reputation, capabilities, and market share by recruiting senior executives and functional leaders in business development, research and development, hardware and software engineering, manufacturing, IT management, and new product development. When you're searching for gold, you'll need all the experience of a skilled prospector. When you have a requirement for key technical or executive leaders, you'll need a skilled executive search partner. To discuss the NextGen search process or your key aerospace and aviation technical or executive level staffing need, call 425-728-8991 today, or visit our website and book an appointment with an executive search consultant at www.nextgenexecsearch.com. NextGen Executive Search, exceeding expectations.